Sharks are the true rulers of the oceans, existing for more than 400 million years. They survived the dinosaurs, climate shifts, and mass extinctions that wiped out entire species. But there is another mystery. Why do these predators develop cancer so rarely? Scientists have spent decades trying to understand this secret. Because if the answer lies within a shark's body, humanity may one day gain a key to fighting one of its most dangerous enemies. Researchers have already discovered fascinating cancer resistance mechanisms in shark DNA. Curious? Hit the subscribe button, and let's dive deeper into this topic. Ancient rulers of the oceans. Sharks appeared on Earth long before dinosaurs, and their ancient history makes them incredibly interesting to science. They survived global catastrophes, mass extinctions, and climate crises that erased thousands of species from the planet. Imagine this. For over 400 million years, they refined their biology to remain at the top of the food chain. In that evolutionary race, they developed powerful defense systems against many diseases. While even a common cold can knock humans off balance, a shark continues its journey as if nothing happened. Because of this resilience, researchers began asking, could cancer resistance also be part of their evolutionary armor? The longer scientists study these predators, the more complex and intriguing the details become. And here's the big question. Could we one day benefit from this gift of nature? If sharks can suppress cancer so effectively, perhaps they hold clues to the health of future generations. Shark super immunity. A shark's immune system works as if it has a built-in antivirus running constantly. It detects even minor cellular abnormalities and reacts quickly to prevent malfunction. Interestingly, shark antibodies are smaller and more stable than human ones. They remain effective even in extreme temperatures or harsh environments. This means their immune defenses are exceptionally robust. Unlike the human immune system, which can sometimes be overwhelmed by disease, sharks maintain strong biological control. Most importantly, their antibodies can interact with mutated cells and may help prevent uncontrolled growth. It's as if they have guards that never sleep. Because of this, shark antibodies have become a major focus of modern biomedical research. The first complete genome mapping of the great white shark revealed genetic adaptations related to DNA repair and cellular stability, mechanisms that may contribute to cancer resistance and longevity. Genome mapping is the process of determining the location of genes within chromosomes and measuring the distances between them. Scientists hope that further research may help apply these findings to age-related human diseases. The cartilage mystery. Sharks don't have bones like ours. Their skeletons are made of cartilage. This unique feature attracted the attention of oncologists. Cartilage tissue is poorly vascularized, meaning it contains very few blood vessels. Tumors rely on blood vessel growth to survive and expand. Researchers discovered that cartilage contains molecules that can inhibit the formation of new blood vessels, a process known as angiogenesis. Without blood supply, tumors struggle to grow. This sparked the hypothesis that compounds derived from shark cartilage might help inspire new anti-cancer treatments. However, science moves carefully. While shark cartilage itself is not a proven cancer cure, studying its molecular properties has opened promising research directions. Rapid healing. Sharks are constantly injured during hunting or encounters with other marine animals. Yet their wounds heal remarkably fast. Studies suggest that even significant tissue damage can recover within days. This is linked to efficient regenerative mechanisms and strong DNA repair systems. Their cells regenerate in a controlled manner, minimizing mutation risks. Humans don't have this level of regenerative precision. Scientists believe understanding these repair systems could help develop new treatments for injuries and potentially reduce cancer risks linked to faulty cell repair. Myths and reality about cancer in sharks. For years, a popular myth claimed that sharks never get cancer. This idea was amplified by media and marketers selling miracle shark cartilage supplements. Science has since proven that sharks can develop tumors, but it appears to be relatively rare. This makes the phenomenon even more interesting. The key isn't immunity, It's control. The true value may lie not in cartilage itself, but in the molecular mechanisms regulating cell stability and DNA repair. Here, science separates legend from fact, turning myths into serious research. Science in service of humanity. Today, sharks are studied not just as fascinating creatures, but as potential medical allies. Shark-derived antibodies are already being explored in experimental therapies and diagnostic tools. Some shark proteins are used in biomedical research due to their stability and precision. This shows that natural biological systems can sometimes outperform advanced technologies. Research in this field is growing rapidly because the potential is enormous. Every discovery could move medicine closer to new treatments. Given that sharks are among the oldest surviving vertebrates on Earth, it's possible that their biology may inspire the next era of human health. Nature as a guide. The natural world is filled with extraordinary adaptations, and sharks are among the most striking examples. Evolution refined their systems for millions of years. Humans are only beginning to understand how many medical clues are hidden within living organisms. Sometimes even our most advanced technologies cannot replicate what evolution perfected over time. Sharks' resistance to cancer reminds us that nature may be an ally, not just a resource. Perhaps the answers to the most complex medical questions have always been there. Each new discovery proves that we are only at the beginning of this journey. Looking to the future. Now that we know sharks hold biological secrets that may transform medicine, the question remains, what's next? Perhaps in the coming decades, humanity will develop therapies that stop cancer before it fully develops. Perhaps we'll learn to replicate their tissue repair mechanisms, or enhance the human immune system using insights from shark antibodies. Today, it may sound like science fiction, but so did space travel once. All we need is to listen carefully to nature's signals and not ignore what it offers, because sharks have already proven something remarkable. Sometimes the oldest creatures hold the most modern solutions. And who knows? Maybe their secrets will become our shield against the most dangerous diseases of the 21st century. Before we finish, I'd love to ask you, if scientists discovered a way to strengthen the human immune system using shark-inspired biology, would you agree to experimental treatment? See you very soon.